The EcoJarz DIY Bug Hotel is perfect for catching bugs, observing, and releasing them back into the wild. The Bug Hotel includes a stainless steel screen and jar band to keep your bug snug inside a mason jar. It's available for regular and wide-mouth jars. Once you've removed your lid, unfold the box so it's flat. The packaging will become the bug houses. There are 6 different houses you can build: teepee, minibus, Airbnb bed, castle, cabin, and a casket. Though we hope you won't need to use that one. For this project you will need a safe cutting surface, scissors, an X-Acto knife, a ruler, glue, and tape. If you want to add some color, now's the time to break out those colored pencils. We have some helpful tips to get you started. Cut each shape out, following the red lines. Crease and fold the blue lines. It helps to lightly score the blue line with the X-Acto knife before folding. This will give you a crisp, clean fold. Insert the tabs into the red slots. You can wiggle the knife in the slots to widen them, or cut wings on the red slots to allow for a wider opening for the tabs. And remember, these are meant to be bug hotels to house bugs temporarily while you observe them in your mason jar. Please be respectful of all life and release your bugs back into the wild. Visit the EcoJarz blog for more tips on being a good bug host and how to encourage beneficial insects to visit your backyard. Leave us a comment if you built the bug hotel and let us know which one was your favorite. Like this video and subscribe for more fun EcoJarz content.